Ever wondered how those whimsical shapes in gardens are created? Enter the world of topiary, a unique horticultural practice that shapes perennial plants into intricate forms. This isn't a new trend, oh no! The art of topiary dates back centuries, all the way to Roman times. Imagine that, the same techniques used to beautify the gardens of emperors and nobles, now available for your own backyard. So, let's delve in and explore how you can transform a simple shrub into a work of living art. Creating a topiary involves more than just a snip here and a trim there. It's a blend of artistry and horticultural skill, a dance between nature and nurture. Firstly, the choice of a plant is essential. Ideal candidates are evergreens with dense foliage and sturdy branches like boxwoods or yews. Once the perfect plant is chosen, a frame or guide is often used to shape the plant. This could be a simple wire structure mimicking the desired shape. This frame serves as a blueprint, guiding each snip and trim, turning a formless shrub into a whimsical creation. But the artistic process doesn't end here. Regular pruning is key to maintaining the shape. It's not a one-time event, but a constant dialogue with the plant. And patience, of course, is the artist's best friend. Proper tools are also pivotal. Sharp, clean shears ensure precise cuts and healthy growth. With time and care, your plain green bush can evolve into a green masterpiece. So sculpting your own green gallery isn't as complicated as it might seem. Topiary, this fascinating blend of art and horticulture, dates back centuries. The process of creating these whimsical shapes involves a steady hand, a keen eye, and of course, an understanding of plant growth. It's a game of patience, a test of your creativity, and a commitment to regular maintenance. With a little patience and creativity, you too can create your own verdant masterpiece. And remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.